For centuries, our country has been following various rituals every day. Our country has one of the oldest civilizations. Now it has been scientifically proven that each tradition has a reason behind it. Following these rituals help everyone to live a healthy and perfect and peaceful life. Today we will discuss some of the traditions and rituals that has been followed by every Indian since ancient times. Namaskar or Namaste is used to greet people, a way to give respect to other. In the process of Namaskar, one has to join palms together. It joins the tip of all the fingers together, and these tips are known as the pressure point. And applying pressure on these points, it helps to remember that person whom you are greeting. Mehendi. Mehendi has many medicinal values. It is applied not only in the wedding ceremony as well as many festive occasions. Mehendi is said to play a great role in averting the stress and keeps you away from the fever also. And Mehendi is a old tradition which is still followed today in India. Fasting, another important tradition of India, in which a person keeps away himself from the food for a limited time period. Stomach is the part of our body where the food we eat is digested, and in the process of digestion, various toxic substances are produced. In fasting, the stomach gets rest from daily activities. Thus, the fasting for one day is considered to be good for health. Gau Puja. Cow is regarded as the mother and called Mata in India since the Vedic times. Cow provides milk and its excreta and urine is also useful to humans. In India, it is a tradition to feed and take care of the cows. In Western countries also, there is a new process or technique called cow cuddling, in which people spend time with the cows, and because of the body temperature of the cow, it is said that it reduces the hypertension and blood pressure and keeps you healthy. In India, cow is worshipped at many occasions. In India, it is a tradition to worship the peepal tree. Normally, all the trees produces oxygen during the day and carbon dioxide during the night. But peepal is the only tree which produces oxygen both day and night. Applying tilak or tika is another tradition of India. It is applied in the center of the forehead, which is considered as a major nerve point, and it helps to control the concentration level of the body. The very popular Gayatri Mantra produces almost 110,000 different kinds of waves per second. It boosts the health system if we chant the Gayatri Mantra 90 minutes before the sunrise. India follows many such other traditions which are now scientifically proven. Indian classical dances, in which the facial as well as body movement are expressed, wearing bangles which are important for the body. Indian marriages is a tradition, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.